We are witnessing Middle East crisis escalating, and of course, if the war spreads, both Saudi Arabia and Pakistan will become party in this crisis. How do you see these developments in the region?
You know, Saudi Arabia from day one, they played. It has played a very positive role in the ceasefire in the Palestinian territory, especially in Gaza. Saudi Arabia has put a lot of effort for the two-state solution, not only in the GCC countries or Arab League or OIC. You have witnessed Saudi Arabia's speech in the United Nations recently. So I can assure you Saudi Arabia and Pakistan can play a very positive role in having a Palestinian state, which is the only solution. Saudi Arabia has said time and again, without establishing a Palestinian state, there won't be any peace in the region. So let's discuss the core issues. If we solve the core issue and go back to the legitimacy and United Nations resolution, this is the only way to solve this problem. The problem in Middle East that there is a certain faction who are thinking that they can bring peace. Peace can only brought to the Middle East and the Palestinian issue through the legitimacy, through the legitimate, stakeholders, through the United Nations, through, the OIC countries. Unilateral move will not help Brother Adil in any solution.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।